years, but I think you're getting a husband treatment because you see, certain cooking and cleaning and ironing are for husband. You don't get husband treatment if you not play husband role. You understand? Boyfriends don't get husband treatment. Yeah. Man, I brought no boy bad me with this year. You hear me? I tell you. Remember like one time, because you like the Emerald say, you know, like, you know, all the housework. No. Come, my mother grew up with flat napkin and helper. Get a helper. Me no marry to you. I over finger you want to wash out your big dirty underpants with your skid mark them in there. Nasty man. No make me class you. Go to your mama, make your mama wash her. You mean I wash her every jeans. I mean I wash no shirt. I mean I do nothing. When I'm a wife. Yeah. Of course. Me with hello. Me we get the white, me get the cake soap and the plastic and scoop up your white. I put me not get no boyfriend, no husband treatment. Husband eat out a plate, boy eat out a styrofoam and file paper. Don't make me this thing. You know what I'm saying? Get out of a nice clean bed, cook no food for no boyfriend. Hello, hear me I say.
At the end of the day.
At the end of the day, there's no guarantee. After you don't use me and abuse me, I'll get no ring. And then guess what? You diminish and reduce my value. Me let hey, sir, me with this look here, don't make me this thing. You know what I'm saying? So when my value gone up, and by the way, boyfriend don't forget to keep an old for sex. You just stretch me out, rub me out, and done me out, and at the end of the day, you don't marry me. No. And then when I get my new husband, I can't explain why I keep. Why dance, I keep it. No. Boyfriend get like sex 2 times, and you don't get every sex. Where do mama and papa? Yeah, maybe save my body from my husband. So boyfriend, I want to see a boyfriend and they even spend the money. Don't lift up my 2 foot them. You don't pay 2 foot, don't make this year. Lift up 1 leg. 1 leg. Husband get 2 legs. Yeah. Boyfriend get 1 leg and half a leg. I'm going to flip stroke. May I come to right up first. Yeah. Too much woman I broke man bad. I'm not getting a husband treatment. You're not a husband. I'm not your wife. When you Tasha, watch that woman you know. Who beat me? 10 years and you left me got mad and next year like 3 months. I like me like this. Hey, move on myself. Me class you. And you move on my class. You're out of that. Me not get a boyfriend. Me not. Alright. If you even say cook for your boyfriend, mackerel I get. Because mackerel quick and easy. Yeah. Boyfriend get tin things you get. Yeah. Tuna, corned beef. Tin things. Husband get oxtail. Yeah. Husband get tripe and bean and chicken and deep things. Dirty boy, we are up with. Are we up with?
Sandwich again.
You look, if I sandwich come here, eat out the road and come in and belch too. You not eat. Me eat already. Yeah, you not eat. Yeah. If I'm good enough to have your child, I'm good enough to bear your last name. I mean, no joke. Ladies, we have to stop selling ourselves short. Me I'm not joking with no boy. No time. If you're not me not good, and you're not serious, I'm not serious either. Me not gonna bake. Someone, you get up, you blend up, and I bake dirty man. Me not wanna read. And the same, I want the fruit, the punch, the peanut, and next girl I enjoy. Because the woman say she did it for 10 years, and in there with the girl for 3 years. So here, really and truly, I even still not dead eat. I equal rights and justice. And you left me with a pity them, and 10 years, and got married. That girl you cheat for me with. In a 3 months, and the blood of Jesus against you. I don't want class, you know. But now I cook nothing. You hear me say nothing? Me mean nothing. Yep. But can't press. Cause everything you give me press, me I bought it up. Yep. Me I bought up every shirt. Yep. Bought it up. Yep. Me now watch. Listen, don't ask me about nothing. Yep. Nothing. Yep. Oh, Tada. You want husband treatment? Married my man. Mr. Gallo can't read right, man, I marry them. Don't girl, man, I marry them. I want me. I want me. Eh? They bother me. I want me. My worst than the worst? What? Me not register. Mr. Gallo can't even spell. Gallo can't read. I'm married. Ring. Then we can talk. This long bagger, but I would have had 20 years. 20, I'm coming to cry. What kind of life sentence I put myself through? Me not depend it. Me not depend it with nobody. And when you done, you think I get whitlow. You know, you wash I get whitlow. You think I mash up. Your hand great to up. As one of them dirty man there. Boyfriend them. Me don't eat what? Like on Sunday, they don't want like the grace pocket of coconut. Yeah. They want the greater. Greater for your mother face. Don't make me this year. Don't make me this year. You hear me I tell you? Yeah, them not eat certain things. You're
This
lucky.
broadcast is brought
Well, me eat it. So just love. I don't, you know,
International
I don't care.
Ameritrans International
I'm not.
Logistics Limited, LTN.
Boyfriends
International
should not get certain levels of treatment because ladies, a man will treat you how you allow him to treat you. And if you say he's a Gladys that without the tips, and a little idiot, he might send the food a little further.
What's gonna happen is that he is going to move on. The next girl that drops in his palm and that he really likes, he's gonna get
No, but here we know. But and by the way, I don't want to marry when you start impotent. When you start need the blue pill, I know you want to come marry me. No, I don't want you them time that you're all. Me and Tash now go to where I go. Nobody come look with them time. You crazy? Boyfriend forget husband treatment. Boyfriend, me them look here. Drink a kiss cup or drink a suck. When you go? Yeah. When you want big beef soup pasta in a big bowl. You stink. You want big rice and peas and 2 meat and vegetable in one plate. Dirty man. You righty? I want married. That me a talk about. So at least when God come, I can look in a God's face good. I have to shame and turn on my face. Yeah. You want people style, you want lizard lap, you want helicopter landing, you want Air Force One, you want around the world. Go around the world. One leg and clean up stuff. And that me I tell you. One leg.
yeah.
So, and don't skin it out. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. When your husband will go all out. When you're not bag husband treatment and you treatment bad. No. Girl can't read that right. Girl don't have the ambition. Man, I marry them. Why? Someone to be your man? No, never run them to them. One leg. Don't do that. No back shot on the back. No. That's not a boyfriend. Tell a husband to come with that. Crazy? Mad? Never run a joke with my boy. If I'm good enough to bear your child, I'm good enough to bear your last name. Simple. That's it. That's what's up. Yeah. Simple. I don't care. Don't business. I'm not doing no man for 20 years. I'm going to come in a crime. Me a era leader. Me a scammer. What kind of 20 year me there? I would have married. What kind of 10 year me there? And they have the girl, who be a wife? Where? Not in the law. Where? Crazy? We don't do that. Husband gets king treatment. Boyfriend does get whatever. Yeah, move.
There's a man on the phone.
Yeah. Crazy. I'm not yellow, I'm not run joke with boy. I'm not pet boy coming out of the zoo. You mad? No, run them to it. I'm not run them to it. Yeah, value yourself. Yeah. Teach a man how to treat you. Yeah, because if you don't value you, him not value you neither. Send the food a little further. Yeah.